I will tell you in this video how to set mobile menu in bottom like this in WordPress. So first of all, go to on dashboard and click on plugin option and click on add new plugin and search plugin WP mobile bottom menu and click on install now here. After some time your plugin install and active this plugin and go to appearance menu option and click on create a new menu and give a name here, menu name, and click on create menu. Select here add menu and you can create custom link and give a link here and add menu and reorder here and give a icon in menu. There are many options. I have select it and same here you can select add any icon and similar here in contact menu add any icon there are many options you can select icon after that select BNAB bottom menu, click on here and shape it and refresh. You can see here mobile menu option in bottom. Thank you. If you have liked my video, so please subscribe my channel and comment if you have any problem. Thank you.